Hey. Hi. What you talking about, baby girl? You're so cute. What are you talking about? Uh-huh. Yeah. Did you have a good nap? Yeah. You're so happy now. What you thinking about? Oh, you're still sleepy little bits? You doing your exercise? Kick mommy? Kick. Kick your feet? Kick your feet? Do you exercise? Yeah. Do you exercise? You little chubby. You chubby baby. Yes. Hi. I love you. Yeah. What you thinking about, baby? Hey, don't kick mommy that much. Don't kick mommy that much. You have strong feet. Oh, that strong foot. Look at that. Look at that strong foot. Oh, this strong foot over here. What did you kick me for? Oh, oh, kick. Oh, kick. Kick your mommy. Yeah. Oh, what's that? You got hiccups again. Oh no. Hiccups. Hiccups are the enemy. It's gonna make you cry again. You're gonna be a big girl and get through it. Hiccups are horrible. Oh, but you don't mind too much, huh? Oh, the hiccups. I'm sorry. Oh no. I know. They're horrible. I'm sorry. Oh, poor baby.